statistically proven to be a more gangster city than Ocala. They got horses. Yeah, they got horses. They got horses. Alright, we ready? You ready? Thanks.
1,
Alright, get a look
2,
at him before he gets beat up and all mangled.
3. Okay, stop.
He's ugly now, he's gonna be even uglier later.
Nice. Hands up, good.
Into the cage, good move.
Alright, work the gate.
Work the gate, 1 gate, 2 gate. There you go. Good job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Get off here, piece you chewing up, boy.
Way to work the underhook, Jay. Good move, Daddy.
You want me back in there, buddy?
What's up?
Oh, remember, I busted your lip in second.
My bad. I was thinking about that.
Keep them hands closed, Sam. Keep your hands up, Sam. Even when you kick, bro. Don't drop them all the way down there and just leave them open.
Good. Very good.
Watch the ledge.
Alright,
3, 2, 1, go.
No, you straight. That was a real good kick. Yeah, that was good.
I've been fighting out there. Protecting myself from trying to do it.
You a strong motherfucker.
Where to go? Good move. Keep working. Work.
Good job.
Right behind them legs in, Jay. Get them underneath. Flatten your feet out. Flatten your feet out. Flatten your feet out. Flatten your feet out. Straight out.
That's right. Grab your hands. That's good job.
It's not in the back.
There you go. Make him give it up. If he don't want to give it up, take it.
He's being nice enough to let us work on that. He probably moved it to the back this time.
Work.
Fine, don't worry about it.
There you go. Now get underneath it. There you go. Get underneath it and grab your wrist. Get underneath that arm, Jay. Get underneath it with this. Yeah, there you go. You're going to have to grab it.
I got to call him. I don't know him. I know.
There you go.
Oh shit! Good job. Yeah. Just like that.
What do you say about them Ocala niggas, bro?
I don't know. But real talk, I'm from Clearwater though. I represent Ocala. I've been here long enough, you know.
Oh, okay.
Over the no.
Oh, is it?
Over the no.